Hi everyone, welcome to the Shamkris Global Group YouTube channel. Today we will see more about Ecovadis certification and how you can get it for your business. Ecovadis Certification is a sustainability rating system for businesses that assesses their environmental, social, and ethical performance. The Ecovadis assessment is conducted by an independent third-party organization and uses a standardized methodology based on international sustainability standards, such as the Global Reporting Initiative, the United Nations Global Compact, and ISO 26000. The Ecovadis certification process evaluates a company's sustainability practices across several categories, including environmental impact, labor and human rights, business ethics, and sustainable procurement. The assessment considers factors such as a company's energy and resource efficiency, greenhouse gas emissions, labor practices, diversity and inclusion policies, ethical business conduct, and supply chain sustainability. Companies that undergo the Ecovadis certification process receive a scorecard that rates their sustainability performance on a scale of 1 to 100. The scorecard provides a detailed analysis of the company's strengths and weaknesses and offers guidance on how to improve sustainability practices. The Ecovadis certification is recognized by many global organizations and can help businesses demonstrate their commitment to sustainability and responsible business practices to customers, investors, and other stakeholders. Benefits of Ecovadis certification. Marketplace differentiation. Ecovadis certification provides a clear signal to customers, partners, and investors that a company is committed to sustainable and responsible business practices. It sets certified companies apart in the marketplace, enhancing their reputation and brand value. Competitive advantage. Companies with Ecovadis certification often have a competitive edge when bidding for contracts or attracting customers. Many businesses and consumers prioritize working with socially and environmentally responsible organizations, giving certified companies a favorable position. Access to new markets. Ecovadis certification can open doors to new markets and opportunities, especially in industries and regions where sustainability is a key consideration. Some clients and partners may require suppliers to have Ecovadis certification as part of their procurement criteria. Risk mitigation. By assessing and addressing environmental, social, and ethical risks in their operations and supply chain, companies can reduce the likelihood of legal, reputational, and operational risks. Ecovadis certification helps companies proactively manage and mitigate these risks. Enhanced stakeholder relations. Certification demonstrates a commitment to meeting stakeholder expectations regarding sustainability and responsible business practices. It fosters positive relationships with customers, investors, employees, and other stakeholders who are increasingly conscious of these issues. Cost savings and efficiency. Improving sustainability practices often leads to increased operational efficiency and cost savings. Ecovadis certification encourages companies to identify areas for improvement, leading to more sustainable and resource-efficient processes. Who can apply for Ecovadis certification? Manufacturing unit, service provider, retailers, financial institutions, healthcare organizations, transportation and logistics companies, construction and engineering firms, energy and utility companies, information technology firms, government agencies. Document required for Ecovadis certification. System manual, system procedure, policy, objectives, mission and vision, standard operating procedure, SOP, checklist, forms, formats, records, and others. How to apply for Ecovadis certification. To receive our assistance, please visit certificationinindia.com/contact us and fill out the contact form. Our support team will get in touch with you promptly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more new updated certifications and licenses. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.